street lights,
yes.
Public lighting.
Yes, of course. And then also entrepreneurship for what I mentioned, our fast food area.
Okay.
We can manage
the juice here.
Yes, of course. And we can manage kitchens for public corporations and all that. Okay. So at your place today, here, at Angel Broadcasting, if you are having party, we'll create a path that it will be cheaper to buy pastries for us than to go and buy it from a certain hotel or something. We will deliver at international quality and standards because these people are people who have just come out from school.
Okay.
If you task them and with the right leadership, they will do it.
Okay.
And that will also serve as a training grounds for them for their own businesses a year or two later. And we need people, we need the quality and then the dedication of the leadership that will make sure these things happen. Okay. I haven't signed to change my chairs or the carpet or fix anything. I have rather gone ahead to tell the architects and other people that, you know what, we need a new edifice that will befit the status of many of the best hotels in town. So that the people working there will feel good about themselves. If you are into bakery, you have some of the nicest machines that any baker will use anywhere. If you are working in the kitchen, it shouldn't be so warm that you get so hot and you begin to detest working
the
in the
environment.
The world has changed. We are in 2025. We should think and act in a manner that let Ghanaians feel that the people who are working in hotels in Paris are no different from them in Accra.
Okay. If you look back into